Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can easily disable your webcam in Windows 11. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to bottom and click on the search. In the moment when you have it, you want to write device manager. Nice, here we go. And when you got it, you want to go further and click on computer. Then right click on it, properties, and that's not right. Webcam, camera privacy settings, and then we would click disable here. So you can see me right here, and I would click disable. And that's how we do it. So thank you, have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.